Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to speed up a video on your iPhone. It's really simple and easy. So for this, you have to go to this, make a time lapse, or you just want to go and speed up part of a video. To go and do it, we will need an app. So go to your app store and go for the CapCut and then just simply tap on this CapCut and open it up. So just open your video. Now when you are here, what you have to do is you have to select the video. If you want to speed up all the video, just select the video, or if you want to speed up a part, you have to select the part. Now what you have to do is you have to go for this speed. You can see, tap on it, and now you have these things: curve, normal, or velocity effects. Now go for the normal and you can then choose how much it should speed up by. In this case, I am going for this 5x here, and then select this check mark, and now you will see your video is really fast up, as you can see here. That's how it is playing now. So that's how you can speed up your video in iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.